Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here. And I look forward to spending the next few minutes with you talking about all the stuff that we're doing in DigitalOcean. Simplicity. It's an easy thing to say, but really hard to do. But that is the promise of DigitalOcean is that we take on all of the complexity so that we can make the lives of the developers simple. And when you focus on simplicity, you also make enhance accessibility because you no longer have to be a Ninja cloud developer to access the power of the cloud. And that coupled with our features like predictable pricing and transparent pricing and our responsiveness makes DigitalOcean one of the most accessible clouds out there. And then the third pillar of our strategy is a focus on the community, listening to a community of developers and customers to truly understand what is it they need to build and scale their business and then executing to it. Now, one of the things you have said is that you want the power of simplicity and accessibility, not just when you start your journey on DigitalOcean, but also as you scale out your business on DigitalOcean. And you understand why. Because simplicity and accessibility can be addictive. Once you're used to it, it's very hard to use a different environment that doesn't provide you the same guarantees. For example, you told us that role based access control is important for you as you scale your business on DigitalOcean. And therefore, I'm very pleased to announce that we have several features related to role based access control coming down the road. We'll have predefined bundles of permissions, so a lot more roles that you can use to define permissions. And we'll also have bucket level access that you can use for providing fine grained access control. Now, to see how this works, let's take a look at this video.
Hi, I'm AJ Sakella, the product design lead for IAM and RBAC, and I'm so excited to introduce DigitalOcean's newest addition to role-based access control, designed to make your life easier and more secure. With RBAC, managing permissions is simple with their role expansion. We're introducing 3 new predefined roles of modifier, resource viewer, and billing viewer, alongside our existing roles of owner, member, and biller. Let's take a look into how these roles are different from members. Let's take a look at what a member can do inside a Kubernetes cluster. As you can see, a member have actions such as deletion, or they can edit settings, or even upgrade. Members have full ability of CRUD within shared resources. Now let's take a look at what a modifier can do. With our new role being a modifier, modifiers don't have any ability to delete. As you can see within the same Kubernetes cluster, the ability to delete is not available. Any delete actions are hidden. Modifiers, however, can still update and create. Now let's take a look at what a resource viewer can do. As a resource viewer, they only have a read-only view of shared resources. As you can see, the ability to upgrade has been hidden, and no other updates are visible. This is a read-only role only. No more accidental deletes on prod with these new roles. Assigning roles is easier than ever. Invite your team members and set the role at the same time, allowing you to secure your infrastructure before their arrival to the team. Get ready to experience seamless access management with DigitalOcean's RBAC new roles and invite experience. Let's pass the mic over to, well, Mike, to show what's happening under RBAC's water surface.
Thanks, AJ. Mike here from the IAM team to talk about changes we're making to the DigitalOcean authorization model to improve our own internal security, to improve your customer UX, and to unlock some exciting new features coming soon. For the past couple of years, the DigitalOcean authorization model has largely revolved around the role that you have in your team. You're either an owner, a member, or a biller, and the actions you may perform depend entirely on the literal name of the role that you happen to have. This has worked to an extent, but has not been particularly scalable. So for the past year or so, the IAM team has been working diligently to replace these checks with permission checks. So instead of saying, are you an owner or a member or a biller, We're instead asking, do you have permission to drop the create, for example? This change will unlock a lot of exciting new features, not least the predefined roles that AJ just described. And also coming soon, custom roles, where you can define your very own roles with whatever permissions you would like and use those roles in your own teams. That's all we have for the IAM team today. Thank you very much.
Now, we are just getting started. And through the rest of this year, we have a slew of features that will make it easier for you to scale your business on DigitalOcean. So we'll have several EPC capabilities coming. We have a global load balancer capability coming. We'll have enhancements to Kafka and MongoDB. We'll have GPU droplets and a bunch of others. And so we would love for you to keep giving us feedback so we know what we need to build to help you grow your business on DigitalOcean. There's also a survey with this conference, and so it would be great if you can put your thoughts there. Now, let me next get to AI and generative AI, one of the most transformational technologies that we'll see in our lifetimes. Generative AI is going to result in step function increases in simplicity and accessibility. And at DigitalOcean, we are going to leverage it in various ways. We'll provide an infrastructure so that you can build compelling AI applications, generative AI applications, and we ourselves will leverage AI to reinvent the user experience of DigitalOcean. Now, it all starts with a good infrastructure. And so today, we have already made available the latest NVIDIA GPUs on DigitalOcean. But we didn't just stop there. We took our mantra of simplicity and accessibility and said, what could we do for the GPU infrastructure? And so coming soon, I'm very happy that we'll be launching GPU droplets. So all of the goodness that a droplet architecture brings on CPUs from DigitalOcean will now also be available on the ML infrastructure. There's a bunch of other features coming down the road. We'll have features for LLM hosting, we'll have features for retrieval augmented generation, for vector databases, and so on, so that you can build compelling generative AI apps on DigitalOcean. So that's about it. What makes DigitalOcean unique is a focus on simplicity, on accessibility, and on being powered by the community. And I promise you, these will remain the core themes as we innovate on our product and technology. Thank you for being here and hope you enjoy the rest of the class.